Hello, my name is Gabriel from GabakUSA. In this video I'll give you a few reasons why you should not buy this kind of camera. So if you have to buy a 4K camera, a Panasonic is not the right option, and as far as I know, Sony AX100 is not an option as well, because when you're trying to shoot a video you cannot use the HDMI port. So once you start shooting a video it will start working. So I'll show you so you can see. So now we are going to connect, and after that I'll tell you another reasons why you should not buy this kind of camera. If you want to know a little bit more about this, I can make a video. I have another video about that. So as you can see, when I'm shooting, I mean, now that I'm seeing everything, it looks fine. Everything has nice quality, so that is a good thing. But as soon as I push the record button, you will see that everything stopped working. So that is a bad thing. When I stop, you should be able to see the image right away. So that is one very bad thing. Another thing that you're saying, well, what for? I want the HDMI. Let's say that maybe you are outside, or maybe you are recording something and you want to see what's going on, if it is on focus or not. So one thing that you should be able is to connect the external monitor. But if you're thinking, well, maybe I can work with the iPad or maybe with the cell phone. So the thing is, the cell phone or the iPad is very slow, the app that comes with it, because first of all you have to push this button. Once you push this button, you have to push another button more. So and then after that you have to come here, and then let's say that you're on your iPad, you have to push another button, and then you have to push again this app so you can start working with the camera. And when you want to realize, 2 minutes pass by, and just after all that time you can start using. And as you can see, I don't know, maybe you cannot appreciate it, but the quality of the image is not that good. Another thing is, if you are trying to change the zoom, if you want to do zoom in, zoom out, as you can see, it doesn't work at all. So is that once you are controlling the camera with your iPad or your cell phone, is very slow. I tried with the iPhone 6s, 2015 is the latest one, and I have the same issue. So that is why you should not buy this camera. If you're comparing this camera, for instance here, this camera is x970, as you can see, and it has a nice remote control. So when I push a button, it works, and it works right away. So you don't have any delay. And once I turn it on, you will see that it start working. Now, because I'm recording with the SIG camera, you see the reflection that is working here and also in this camera as well. But the control remote works just fine. I'll try to do maybe a zoom in, zoom out like that, so it will not affect the other camera. As you can see, this is what you expect. This looks like when you grab the remote control on your TV, you press and it works. You don't have to do anything else. So that is a good thing. If you compare it with this, we can connect the HDMI. Now I have a switch here. Okay, now I have a switch. You can see I move and it works fine. I press the button to record, keeps recording, no problem. So that is a great option. And I pause it, you see pause, and no problem. Like I say, if you want to see, press, you see the red dot over there. I press again, stop, no problem, and it works right away. So that is a great thing. So that is the the bad thing about this camera. The good thing is the files are very small. It records in MP4. Basically those are the two main concerns. Remote control is very slow. It doesn't have any output if you want to use it down. When you are trying to use the camera with this remote control with the app thing, you cannot access to different options. Like I'll show you right away. If you want to change anything from here, anything, I mean, you cannot do any of these options. I mean, you will not see any of these options on the app. That is how it works. So I hope this video that I made was helpful for you if you're designing, buying something like that. If you want 1080p, this model and this brand works well. If you need 4K, try to use something else, something better. Like I said, Sony has the same issue, Panasonic. The one I'm going to replace this with, so I can record in 4K, is the Sony x970. It costs more than this, of course, but it comes with a remote control, and the output of the monitor works just fine. So that are the main issues with this kind of camera.